Here I have the top 5 reasons why to learn Spanish, especially if you live in the United States of America. ¿Por qué? Number 5, por lo bello, because it's beautiful. Spanish is a rich language. Spanish is composed by many languages. Spanish is found in the sciences, literature, music, and more. And Spanish is a treasure language. Number 4, se habla mundialmente. It is spoken worldwide. Spanish has the most native speakers worldwide. Also, 21 countries that speak Spanish in the world. These are a lot of countries. And most importantly, Spanish is spoken in the USA by many. So if you live in the United States, Spanish is an option for your second language. Number 3, por lo practico, because it's practical. The US has a large Hispanic population, especially on the Southwest. The United States has more than 50 million Hispanics as of 2020, and it is growing. And because of this, businesses, government entities, and educational establishments, among others, require bilingual people who can speak English and another language. In this case, Spanish. Porque puedes. It's number 2. Because you can. You will have the tools in my channel to learn Spanish. I will give you as many tools as I can to help you learn Spanish. And there are no limits to learn it. If you become proficient in Spanish, you may continue learning it at a higher level. There are many individuals to interact with you that will be close to you. If you go to the store, you might encounter someone who speaks Spanish. You can interact with this person. If you are in vacations and you go into the hotel and there is someone who speaks Spanish, you can interact with that person. There are many individuals whom you can interact with. And number 1, porque sí. Just because. The best reason is because you want to. You really want to learn Spanish. And because you want to, you will learn it. And because you enjoy the arts, the Latino arts, the Hispanic arts, you enjoy Hispanic music, Spanish music from Mexico, from Central America, from South America, and even from Spain. But most importantly, your personal growth. You want to learn Spanish because you want your personal growth to continue. And by learning Spanish will open other doors in your life. If you become, and when you become bilingual, being bilingual will open another door in your life. So what are you waiting for? Learn and study Spanish today with me. Just because.